Beach, South Carolina, after Hurricane Ian. Just the aftermath. Just walking around, me and my wife. We actually flew in yesterday to celebrate our third anniversary, wedding anniversary. Didn't think the hurricane was going to hit straight on like this. I guess I should have checked the weather, but nevertheless, we're here. We survived. We're good to go. We're just showing you the aftermath. Like I said, we're in Myrtle Beach. Everything looks pretty much intact. There was some flooding, but it dissipated. So hopefully everything will be back to normal by tomorrow. Straight ahead. Trust me, you would see it. I scoped out all this stuff. Absolutely. Look bad. Look real bad.
Well, I wonder if that was already missing.
I think
More
so.
likely not, huh?
No? Oh, Burger King. I know there's a Burger King that's close by. Stay on the thing, because...
Yeah, my wife had the bright idea to fly to Myrtle Beach for our anniversary.
Yeah. It does feel good to get out that hotel.
Yeah.
Man.
South Carolina survived. Myrtle Beach, at least,
This is a burger spot called Kickback Corner. Burgers, hot dogs, ice cream, and more. Wow, that's right across the street from where we're staying. It's pretty windy down here.
Let's see if the meters are up.
Okay. Yep, everything's working. Meters are working. Golf carts didn't blow away, surprisingly, because a couple of palm trees actually did go down. Pretty strong winds, really strong winds.